Today, we are going to test if the Traxxas Sledge and Traxxas Max can jump over a house. Stay tuned.
I don't see what could possibly go wrong.
Oh!
So here we got Sledgina.
Sledgina.
Back in action with a brand new ESC because I bricked the last one, and a brand new M2C chassis.
Look at that chassis.
M2C tough. And I was able to get the little traxxas skid plate back on there too, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna take Sledgina here, and we're gonna hit that there ramp, and we're gonna go over that there house.
Cinder.
And land somewhere back there.
Yep.
And avoid all of the power lines and other stuff back there.
Okay.
So this could end really goodly.
Yep.
Goodly.
I think it could either end really goodly or really greatly.
I can't think of a thing that could go wrong right now.
I don't either.
All right, first I'm gonna jump onto the roof.
All right. Let's see him jumping onto the roof. That was easy. That was easy.
I almost didn't give it enough.
Yeah. So we know we can make it on the roof. Nice. All right, here comes Eric on the roof. There we go. Wait, what happened, Eric?
Hey, dude, look at your front door.
Oh, the tire marks on the front door? Oh, man. Eric coming back again. Nice. Nick's first attempt to jump over the house. Whoa! Nice. Nice, you're right here next to me. That was nice.
That was sick.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. Nick's attempt number 2. Oh! That was a hard hit. I felt the whole ground shake. Nick's attempt number 3. I think it took some shingles with it. Perfect. That was nice. Woo! Dang. We need a rescue vehicle. Rescue is on the way. Oh my gosh.
There we go, there we go.
Okay. Woo! You're on your wheels. Backflip off of it. Now we are on the roof. It's all right. I'll sleep up here. Okay. You need to land right here. Aim for me. All right, ready when you are. Perfect. Perfect, dude. You smacked that big tree, but you're perfect. Eric, come up here to give me a piece of sushi. You're awesome, man.
Oh yeah.
Sushi delivery.
Thank you. Sushi delivery.
Sushi delivery. Oh, that was the wires. Oh, that was the wires. McTwist. Look at that. Perfect. Woo! Perfect. Woo! There you go. A whole new terrain to drive on. Look at them boys. Perfect. Perfect. Whoa. Nice. Landed in a wheelie. Whoa, carnage. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. He lost confidence halfway through. He said, I did.